What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to go over our friend Matic. Currently we're sitting at 47 cents, down 3.2 on the day. Low trading volume this weekend with the long weekend and currently big holiday over in the US. So not too much movement here, but we're going to get into it. We're sitting at a market cap of sorry about that. We're seeing a market cap of 3.74 billion. 24-hour volume came all the way down. You can see the low volume here, 410 million. So a couple scenarios here for Matic. We've been talking about the fact that this may all have been a large impulsive wave 3, and we're going through a corrective wave 4, looking for the final wave 5 to take you down to 18 to about 25 cents. And the other scenario, which I think is a little bit less likely, is that this was your wave 3 right here. This was your corrective wave 4, the A, B, C, D, E, and we've already put in the wave 5, and we failed to make a 5-wave impulse to the upside as we've been covering on the channel. So what we'd have to look at here is that this is a 1-2-1-2 where you come up, you've made wave 1, corrective wave 2, and then once again you've had a wave 1 and a corrective wave 2. The only problem is the second wave 2. You see how we had a wave 2 pullback? The second wave 2 pullback is usually less shallow than the wave 1, and you can see this was really steep. So I think it's a little bit less likely that we're looking at a wave 1. This was a wave 2 pullback, and then you're looking for that wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, that larger 5-wave move. I'm just going to enlarge these here quickly. Yeah, so I think that's a little bit less likely. What it's called is a 1-2-1-2. If you want to look more into it, just Google search 1-2-1-2 Elliott wave, and you'll have a better understanding of what I'm saying here, where we've come up, we've made wave 1, wave 2, and then once again wave 1, wave 2. But usually the second wave 2 is less shallow, and you can see how much steeper it is. But if this bullish scenario were to play out, which I think is the less likely scenario, what I'm looking at here is this ascending triangle. You can see we have this ascending support and horizontal resistance here. So what I'm waiting for is to see if Matic breaks out of this ascending triangle, back tests it, and then sees continuation to the upside. Then we could be looking at this as a potential 1, 2, 3, 4 to the upside if this ascending triangle is broken. But if we come down and we lose this low here and we start to come down to about 31 cents, then I think the more likely scenario is that this was your larger wave 3, this was a corrective wave 4, and we are looking for that final wave 5 to take you lower than this previous low. And my target area here is coming in around that 18 to about 24 cents. If we zoom out to the 4, actually I'm going to pop over to my next chart. So currently we are holding crucial support here of about 44 cents. If we scroll back here, you can see all the support in this range. So if that support is lost, we start to back test it as resistance, then I'd be more convinced that, yeah, we're going to come lower here. Start to back test, we lose this low, then I do think you would come lower. And if we zoom out here, we're going to pop over to the daily. That 18 to about 26 cent price target lines up with your next cluster of support for Matic. As I've been mentioning, your ABC correction, the C wave usually comes down to the wave 4 support or prior to the wave 4, and you can see we've come right down to the wave 4 support, so we could still easily come lower here to about 18 to about 25 cents. If you do think Bitcoin is coming down to that 10 to 13K price target, that's when Matic will easily come down to those levels. But in the short term, I'm just watching this ascending triangle to see if we break out, potentially look for a long trade. If we do break out of this ascending triangle, we backtest it as support. Would be more confirmation that we put in a wave 2 pullback. But if we simply come down and we lose this low, and if we lose about 39 cents, I do think you're still looking for a larger wave 5 to take you down to that 18 to about 25 cent price target. We'll see if we're able to break out of this ascending triangle or if we break down, and I'll wait for confirmation if I do look to enter a trade here. And my signals are coming in at the $10 membership. You can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits for my leverage trades as well as my spot trades, and over 2,000 members posting chart patterns talking all things crypto. And if you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, $4,500 in bonuses, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.